The outer shell and discharge hopper are all made of stainless steel. For different feeding rods are provided as accessories. A thickness adjustment bolt is installed on the top. Turning clockwise increases the thickness, and turning counterclockwise decreases the thickness. A safety protection switch is equipped on the right side, and the power input is at the rear. Cooling vents are opened at the back of the machine. Prepare an oven, a material receiving tray, and American ginseng. Prepare an oven, a material receiving tray, and American ginseng. The oven material receiving tray needs to be purchased separately. Spread American ginseng flat and place it in the oven. Set the temperature to 150到200度 and the time to approximately minutes. Please monitor the roasting process at all times to prevent accidents. High temperatures are generated during roasting. Please take proper personal protection measures. After roasting, take out the American ginseng and test its hardness, softness by hand. Start the machine and put the American ginseng into the corresponding hole. Once the American ginseng is flush with the feeding port, push it in with the material pressing rod. Under no circumstances should fingers be inserted into the feeding port. Open the chamber door to clean the sliced pieces inside the machine. Check the slice thickness and adjust it according to actual conditions. After adjustment, please tighten the lock nut to fix the setting and ensure consistent slice thickness. This machine is suitable for slicing ginseng and processing various medicinal materials in pharmacies. After work, clean the sliced pieces and pack them. Wipe the exterior of the machine with a cloth to keep it clean and tidy. If the machine fails to slice, replace the blade in a timely manner. Remove the feeding rod and detach the feeding port. Open the chamber door and loosen the blade bolts with the right angle handle. Replace with a new blade. The old blade can be re-sharpened for reuse. After reinstalling the feeding port, start the machine to check for any abnormalities.